cat I'm painting is named Balala. Balala is an 11-year-old granny cat from Texas. She has a penchant for interacting with humans and truly enjoys playing with people, always bringing warmth and joy to anyone she meets. What's more remarkable is that Balala chose her parents as her human companions 10 years ago, and since then, she has been weaving a heartwarming story of companionship with them. Despite her age, she remains full of vitality, and every moment spent with her is like a gentle embrace of warmth and comfort.